Want to make your videos pop with a 3D screen effect? If you want, keep watching it. First step, just import your video and drag it to the timeline. Set video ratio to 16:9. Zoom it a bit. Go to Effect tab and type Player 3. Drag this effect to your video. Adjust effect footage to fit your video. When you play, you will see the music player, so we need to remove it. Go to Video in the timeline and press Alt plus drag and drag it to the side. Make it smaller and drag it to the beginning of the effect. Go to Add Detail Keyframe. Then decrease glow to 0 and decrease texture to 0 also. Then increase horizontal to 70. Now start play your video until playhead stay in the end. And then adjust video rotation to normal. Play your video again, you will see your video running like 3D screen. Set playhead to the split point. Now select Alt Ctrl+A to create a compound click. And click Delete left to remove opening video. Keep playhead in the beginning and add transform keyframe again. And then scale your video to full screen. Play again and search 4K effect in Effect tab. Type 4K in the search engine, and then drag it to the timeline. Adjust it to fit your video footage. Then I go to Adjust Glow Effect. You can adjust any more effect as you want to look better. In this editing has some pro feature, so if you can't export your video, you can go to check in my channel about video exporting in pro feature. If this video useful for you, don't forget to click like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.